Bonjour, France. Just the name evokes a sense of wonder. Romance hangs in the air like expensive perfume. History whispers from ancient stones. The French countryside is a feast for the eyes. Rolling hills, vineyards, and fields of lavender paint a picture of rustic perfection. From the bustling metropolis of Paris to the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera, France offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Lose yourself in world-class art and architecture. Indulge in the world's finest cuisine. Explore charming villages and ancient castles. France is a country that seduces the senses and stirs the soul. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, France promises an unforgettable adventure. Come discover the magic for yourself. Paris, the city of lights, a city that needs no introduction. Start your Parisian adventure at the iconic Eiffel Tower. Ascend to its heights for breathtaking panoramic views. Next, immerse yourself in the masterpieces of the Louvre Museum. The Mona Lisa awaits. Don't miss the Venus de Milo. Afterward, take a leisurely cruise down the Seine River. The city's beauty unfolds before you. Indulge in the culinary delights that Paris is famous for. Savor flaky croissants at a local boulangerie. Sip on rich coffee at a charming sidewalk cafe. Dine at a traditional bistro and experience the true meaning of joie de vivre. Provence, a region in southeastern France. Imagine fields of lavender stretching as far as the eye can see. The air is filled with the intoxicating scent of this purple flower. Visit a local market and pick up some fresh produce. The tomatoes here are bursting with flavor. Explore charming villages perched on hilltops. Sip on local rose wine at a vineyard bathed in sunshine. Don't miss the vibrant festivals that celebrate Provençal culture. The colors, the music, the energy are infectious. The French Riviera, sun, sand, and starlit nights. The French Riviera. Glamour and glitz meet the Mediterranean Sea. Nice? Cannes? Monaco. Each city exudes its own unique charm. Lounge on pristine beaches and soak up the Mediterranean sun. The water sparkles, inviting you for a swim. Indulge in thrilling water sports. From jet skiing to parasailing, adventure awaits. As the sun sets, the French Riviera transforms. The nightlife is legendary. Dance the night away in glamorous nightclubs. The Loire Valley, a fairy tale land of chateaux and vines. The Loire Valley, a region of majestic castles and rolling vineyards. Explore the Loire Valley by bike. Cycle through picturesque vineyards. Stop at charming villages along the way. Visit Chambord, visit Chenonceau, visit Villandry. These castles are straight out of a fairy tale. Indulge in the region's famous wines. Sancerre, Vouvray, Chinon are just a few to try. The Loire Valley is a feast for the senses. History, architecture, and nature combine to create a truly unforgettable experience. Normandy, history etched in stone. Beauty forged by nature. Normandy, a region marked by history and natural beauty. Visit the D-Day landing beaches. Pay your respects at the American Cemetery. These are places of remembrance. Reflect on the sacrifices made during World War II. Explore the awe-inspiring Mont Saint-Michel. This island abbey rises dramatically from the sea. Indulge in the local specialties. Camembert cheese and apple cider are must-tries. Normandy offers a poignant blend of history and natural splendor. Beyond the tourist trail, hidden gems and local encounters. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths. Discover hidden villages tucked away in the French countryside. Strike up conversations with locals in charming cafes. Practice your French. Even a few words will be appreciated. Attend a local festival or market. Immerse yourself in the authentic rhythm of French life. These genuine encounters will enrich your journey and create lasting memories.